BHF stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm observing and looking at Brighthouse Financial stock, and I saw a big expansion. I mean, looking at this like market cap and whatnot, it's a 3 billion market cap stock. So it's about like more so now the volatility and whether it's sticking to my edge. Again, this is something that I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, so you don't have to over the last 4 years. And with BHF, you can see the price just kept consolidating, and now it boomed up, which I love. It's grabbed all this liquidity, and the only way that I'm looking at this and you're just observing this is I'm looking to take things up. I'm not going to immediately buy, although if it comes down and gives me the rules, fine, sure, you know, but the only thing that I would care is a little pullback and then my rules being met. Everything else other than that is going to be noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.